Now what I'm going to do at this point is I want to open up my emulator, and I'm going to select what type of emulator I want here. I'm going to choose the CIS 165DA phone. Oh, that's 26, and remember we're designing for 29. So I want a more recent emulator. Or what I need to do is to come back into my main activity here, go to design mode, and let's set this for 26. Okay, so I'm going to choose my CS165DA phone Oreo 26. I'm going to click the Run App button. It's going to start up the emulator. Now I set this up for my emulator to be in this window, and you can do that in the settings for Android Studio. And I'll show you that in a minute. So it says the operation succeeded. It's now loading that into my emulator, and I probably need to turn it on. So I need to turn on my device. There is my project running in the emulator. And if I click the SMCC button, that text changes to South Mountain Community College. I can end the project by clicking Stop App. And to give me a little more space, I'm going to hide the emulator window. So here's how you can set up that emulator to appear in your emulator window within Android Studio. Under File, we can go to Settings, go to Tools, and there's Emulator, and there's a checkbox here for Launch in a Tool window. If you choose that, it will launch over on the right-hand side in that emulator window. If it's unchecked, it launches in its own window on top of or in addition to Android Studio. The choice is really yours. As I make changes to an app, I like to test it frequently to make sure everything's working along the way. We're not done with this app yet. We're going to come back and make some more changes in our activity in the next lesson. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Android App Development Cohort playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos that I create, you can click my picture up in the top right and subscribe to the channel.